Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about Java operators. Let's create a new project. And create a new package. A new Java class. Let's create a new variable integer a 4, integer b 8, and c a plus b multiply by minus minus a. And in our main method, let's print these values. And what will this minus minus operator do? It will first less 1 from variable a and then set the value to variable a. It will first decrease the value of variable a by 1 and save the value to a. And here you can see that the value of a is 3. And let's take another example. And if we set this decrement after variable a, then it will decrease the value after completing the operation. Here we are decreasing the value of a after using the value of a. So here you can see that the value of a is 3 and b is 8, but the result is 36. Let's take two variables of double and try to add this variable a to double value. So here you can see that there is no error. But if we try to add these double values to our integer, then it will show error. Here we have to convert this double into integer. Let's take few examples of different variables like integer a 4, byte 120, and another byte. Let's add these two numbers. And here you can see that we have error because we cannot add an integer to byte, but we can add byte to integer. So we have to convert all of the values to byte. If the values cross the boundaries of this variable, then it will show us this. Let's take another example, double x and float y and double z x plus y. And if we change these to short, here we can use variable type integer, double, float, but we cannot move from higher to lower. Float cannot convert directly into integer, but integer can convert into float. So thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.